When your Roomba's docking station fails or you need portable charging solutions, there are reliable alternatives available. Understanding these options can save you time and keep your robot vacuum operational. Different Roomba models use different battery types and specifications. Modern Roombas from the i7, J7, and S9 series use advanced lithium-ion batteries, while older 600, 700, and 800 series models use nickel metal hydride batteries. The critical factor for successful charging is providing the correct voltage. All Roomba models require exactly 22.5 volts DC output from the charging adapter, regardless of the battery type inside the robot. There are two primary methods for charging your Roomba without the docking station. Direct adapter charging connects the power adapter straight to your Roomba's charging port, while manual docking involves positioning the docking station for direct contact with the charging contacts. The most reliable way to charge your Roomba without the docking station is direct adapter charging. This method has a 95% success rate when done properly. First, power off your Roomba completely. Press and hold the power button until all lights turn off. This ensures safe charging and prevents any interference. Next, locate the charging port on your Roomba. It's usually under a rubber flap on the bottom or side. Clean the charging contacts with a dry cloth to ensure good connection. Connect the original Roomba power adapter directly to the charging port. Always use the manufacturer's adapter to ensure proper voltage and avoid damage. Then plug the adapter into a wall outlet. Monitor the charging indicator lights. A solid or pulsing light typically indicates charging is in progress. Full charging takes 2 to 3 hours. Disconnect the adapter once charging is complete. The second method involves manual docking. This works when you have a functional docking station, but the automatic docking feature isn't working properly. Place the docking station on a stable, level surface. Ensure the charging contacts are clean and accessible. The surface should be firm to maintain proper contact. Manually align your Roomba with the docking station's charging contacts. Press the Roomba firmly against the contacts to ensure a solid connection. You should see the charging light activate. Verify that the charging light is active, indicating successful connection. This method has an 85 to 90% success rate. Monitor the charging process and ensure the connection remains stable. Both methods provide reliable alternatives to automatic docking. Direct adapter charging offers the highest success rate, while manual docking works well when you have a functional docking station available.